Hello everyone, welcome once again. Today we are going to start a new chapter in the book Moments. So let's continue with this new chapter from the book Moments. The title of the chapter will be The Happy Prince. Now, why the title is The Happy Prince? The title is Happy Prince because this prince was happy throughout his life till he has taken birth and till he died. He was happy throughout his life. He lived in the palace where all sort of facilities were there. He did not know what is unhappiness. But as he died, his statue was erected, a big statue was erected, and now he was able to see all the miseries and unhappiness in his city. So, this is all about this lesson. So, let's start this lesson. The starting paragraphs of the lesson is: high above the city, on a tall column, stood the statue of the happy prince. He was gilded means surrounded all over with thin leaves of fine gold. For eyes he had two bright sapphires. Sapphires are precious stones, and a large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt. Hilt is the handle of the sword. So his handle of the sword was also made up of precious stone. His eyes were made up of precious stones, and his whole body was covered with gold. Not made of gold, but it was the covering of the gold leaf. One night there flew over the city a little swallow. Swallow is a small bird. His friends had gone away to Egypt 6 weeks before, but he had stayed behind. Then he decided to go to Egypt too. All day long he flew, and at night he arrived at the city. Where shall I put up? He said. I hope the town has made preparation. Now this small bird swallow, he was going to Egypt, and he was flying all through the day, and at night he decided to take rest. So for taking rest he arrived in the city of the happy prince, and he was searching the place where he can stay for the night. Then he saw the statue on the tall column. I will put up there, he cried. It is a fine position with plenty of fresh air. So he alighted. Alighted means descended, just between the feet of the happy prince. So at last, Swallowbird found the place to take rest, and the place was in the feet of the statue of happy prince. So that was the place he chose to take rest. I have a golden bedroom, he said softly to himself as he looked around, and he prepared to go to sleep. But just as he was putting his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. What a curious thing, he cried. There is not a single cloud in the sky. The stars are quite clear and bright, and yet it is raining. Now, when this bird is trying to take rest by sitting beneath the feet of the happy prince statue, some water falls over him, and he is surprised. The swallow is surprised that from where the water is coming, because the sky was clear, and the sparrow was thinking from where the water is coming. Then another drop fell. What is the use of a statue if it cannot keep the rain off? He said. I must look for a good chimney pot. and he determined to fly away. But before he had opened his wings, a third drop fell, and he looked up and saw. Oh, so that is the matter now. Now again there was second drop of water. Now the swallow was thinking, what is the need of staying here? It's better to go and sit in some chimney. This statue is not able to protect me from the rain. So as it was about to fly away, one more drop of water fell over him, and he looked up. And when Swallow looked up, Swallow was surprised. The surprise was the tears were coming out of the statue of the happy prince. The eyes of the happy prince were filled with tears, and tears were running down his golden cheeks. His face was so beautiful in the moonlight that the little swallow was filled with pity. Pity means kindness. Who are you? He said. I am the happy prince. So now Swallow was very surprised because he saw that tears were coming from the eyes of the statue, and he asked, who are you? And the statue gave the answer that he was the happy prince. Why are you weeping then? Asked the swallow. You have quite drenched me. Drenched means gila kar dena, wet me. When I was alive and had a human heart, answered the statue, I did not know what tears were, for I lived in the palace where sorrow is not allowed to enter. My courtiers means ministers, called me the happy prince, and happy indeed I was. So I lived and so I died. Now the prince tells his story that when he was alive, he was very happy. He did not know what sorrow was, and now after death, his statue is put there, and he can see everyone's sorrow, and he is very sad. And now that I am dead, they have set me up here so high that I can see the ugliness and all the misery of my city. And though my heart is made up of lead, yet I cannot choose but weep. What? Is he not solid God? Said the swallow to himself. He was too polite to make any personal remarks. Now the prince tells that his heart is made of lead. Swallow gets surprised because Swallow was thinking that prince's full statue was made of gold, but now he comes to know it is made up of only covering of gold. Inside it is not gold. But Swallow was very polite to make any remark. So we will end the first session here, and we will continue in the next class.